Okay, the final outcome will be something like this. So we'll start with the new file, blank file. I assume you already submit your work, yeah? Okay, so here let me start with the new project. Okay, save whatever you got. We start with an empty file, yeah? Okay, first we need an object that we want to resize. I use a face sticker. Here I add an object. I choose face effect, face sticker. Okay. The face sticker can be any image that you have. So I add my sample image. Okay, now we are going to implement the script, yeah? So if the script window is not visible, the script window is here, visual scripting. So make sure the visual scripting window is activated. If the object is small, you can use your scroll wheel on your mouse, zoom in, zoom out, yeah? Okay, now we are going to create an action. So make a right click, add node, and the event is screen tab. Okay, screen tab. When you tap the screen, something will happen. So the next thing that we want to do is we make a right click again and add another node. Okay, and then we look for transform. Set transform. Okay, so now you must have two nodes. One is the screen tab and the other one is screen transform. Okay, next you can choose the face sticker image to be transformed. And then you set the new scale. For example, I rescale to twice the original size. I change everything to 2. Okay, let's link them together. Okay, to link you just drag and drop the arrow so that screen tab and screen transform are linked together, yeah? Screen tab, screen transform. Okay, now we can test in the preview window. If you tap, now it should be double the size because I choose new scale. Okay, you can restart the effect, click, it will double the size. So that's simple transformation, yeah. What I did, I changed the scale only. Okay, let's try another one. Another one is we want to play an audio, yeah. So let's import an audio file. If you don't have an audio, you can download quickly an short audio file. Okay, I will add an audio file into my asset, click import, and then choose an audio file. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to drag and drop the audio file, this audio file, to the scripting window. Okay, from the asset, you drag and drop, it will appear something like this, audio resource and then the audio file name. Okay. Next, to control whether the sound will be played based on the trigger, you can you can click on this tiny circle, click and then left click, yeah, click and draw, and a line will appear, and then release, Okay, it will ask you what to do. We are going to choose audio and then audio resource controller. Okay, so this one will automatically added to your visual scripting window. So the audio resource will be linked to audio resource controller, and speaker is automatically added, yeah. Okay, next, how to trigger. We are going to trigger the play by an action. For example, I choose the trigger to be hand. When I show my hand, it will play the sound. So I add a note and then I choose event hand detection. Okay, when the hand is detected, you're supposed to play it, yeah. So play should be okay. So what I do is I link the hand detection begin to play, and when it's not detected, I will stop. Okay, so begin will link to the play, and will be linked to the stop. Okay, now let's test. You go to your window, preview. Okay, done.